Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting the vehicle settings on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the menu button to the right of the screen. Then tap System. Scroll down the System settings and tap Factory Settings. Scroll down the factory settings and tap Vehicle. Note that the car's ignition has to be switched on to reset the vehicle settings. Tap Reset on the pop-up. Your vehicle settings will now be reset. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.